Gorilla Gus in the Lost Crystal Valley, morning on Gorilla Farm. As the first rays of sunshine peeked over the mountains, Gorilla Gus woke with a happy smile. Every morning he cared for his beautiful farm. He fed the chickens, watered the vegetables, picked sweet bananas, and greeted every animal like a good friend. It was a peaceful day, until a frightened blue parrot swooped down from the sky. In its beak was a glowing crystal feather. Something magical was about to begin. The mysterious message Gorilla. Gus gently held the glowing feather. Suddenly it sparkled with brilliant blue light. A magical map appeared high above the farm. It pointed toward a mysterious place, the Lost Crystal Valley. The blue parrot chirped nervously. Something precious had disappeared. Without wasting a single moment, Gorilla Gus packed his backpack, climbed into his rugged jungle tractor, and followed the map. The adventure had begun. The broken bridge. Dark clouds rolled across the sky as heavy rain poured down. Soon, Gorilla Gus reached a rushing river. Oh no, the old wooden bridge had been washed away. Across the river, a frightened rabbit family was trapped. Instead of turning back, Gorilla Gus got to work. He cut strong bamboo, gathered sturdy vines, and built a brand new bridge with care and determination. One by one, the rabbits crossed safely. To thank their brave new friend, they presented Gorilla Gus with glowing magical forest berries before waving goodbye. The Whispering Forest. The journey continued into a mysterious forest filled with ancient trees. Soft whispers drifted through the air. Then something amazing happened. Hundreds of glowing butterflies surrounded the tractor. They circled gently, inviting Gorilla Gus to follow. The magical trail led to an enormous stone doorway, hidden beneath thick vines. Slowly, the ancient door began to open, the crystal cave. Inside the cave, thousands of sparkling crystals lit every corner with beautiful colors. Then, a tiny cry echoed through the cave. Hidden beneath fallen rocks was a frightened baby gorilla. Using his great strength and gentle hands, Gorilla Gus carefully lifted the rocks away. The little gorilla rushed forward and gave him a big, thankful hug. Behind the rocks, something incredible began to glow. The missing rainbow crystal had finally been found. The flood. Just as Gorilla Gus picked up the rainbow crystal, a loud rumble shook the cave. Water burst through the walls. The cave began filling with rushing water. Quickly, Gorilla Gus placed the baby gorilla safely inside the tractor. The blue parrot flew ahead, showing the way. They raced through the flooded tunnel as rocks crashed behind them. At the very last second, they escaped safely before the cave entrance closed forever. The Crystal Valley. Soon they arrived at the beautiful Crystal Valley. But something was wrong. Hundreds of animals stood quietly with sad faces. The magical tree of life had lost its rainbow crystal. Without it, the flowers would not bloom, the streams would not flow, the birds would not sing. Gorilla Gus carefully placed the rainbow crystal back where it belonged. Instantly, dazzling rainbow light spread across the valley. Flowers burst into bloom. Waterfalls sparkled. Birds filled the sky with joyful songs. The Crystal Valley was alive once again. Celebration Festival. What a celebration. Elephants sprayed sparkling fountains of water into the air. Monkeys danced and flipped with laughter. Peacocks proudly displayed their colorful feathers. The rescued baby gorilla ran into the loving arms of its family. Every animal gathered together to cheer for Gorilla Gus. He had saved the Crystal Valley. Home again. As the sun slowly set behind the mountains, Gorilla Gus drove peacefully back to his farm. The blue parrot landed gently beside him once more. This time, it left behind a glowing golden feather. Gorilla Gus smiled. He knew another magical adventure was waiting just around the corner. Thank you for joining Gorilla Gus on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back soon for another exciting Gorilla Gus adventure. See you next time.